Let's now jump to the next worksheet. The title is Formatting. So in this example, we will be using different formatting tools in Excel. The first one is we will merge these cells from cells A1 to E1 into one. Okay, so let's select this again. And then in the Home tab, you will see that there is an alignment group. And then select Merge and Center. So it combines or combine and center the contents of the selected cells in a new larger cell. So from here, you have now one cell. And let us also adjust the cell size of column A. So I will place my cursor in between columns A and B. And when I see the black crosshair, I will double click. I will also add borders around my table. So to do this, select A1, left click, and then select until the 6th row. From here, you can go to Home tab and you will see above the font group, let me zoom in, there is the borders icon. So click the drop down arrow and then you can select all borders. Let me zoom out. But what if I want to change the color from black borders to my preferred color, for example, green or pink? Okay, so to do that, let us select again cells A1 until the 6th row and then right click using your mouse, choose Format Cells. And there are different tabs here. We will go to the Border tab. Okay, now let me zoom in. There are different line styles. So I will select this, the third to the last line style. And then for the color, I will press the drop down arrow here. And let me select, for example, pink. Okay, now before you press OK, you have to press Outline and Inside Presets. So this is the preview because otherwise your changes will not be updated. Okay. So press OK and I will zoom out. Now I have color pink borders. So let me select cell A1 and then I will also use the paint bucket tool to change the background color. So I will go to Home tab and then select the fill color icon. And then let's say I will select yellow or light yellow. Let's zoom out. And then I will change the font style to bold. You can press Ctrl B. Then let me also change the alignment of this text to center. Okay, if you want to remove the grid lines or the extra cells, you can go to View or View tab and then just above the Show Group, let me zoom in, okay, you can uncheck grid lines. Okay, so let's zoom out. Alright, the next step is we are going to compute the sum. Okay, so here under column E. So there are different ways on how to compute the sum. One is by manually encoding the formula. So let's go to cell E3, equal sign, and then you can select the cell D3 plus C3 plus B3, okay? Or you can use the sum function. So equal sign and then type sum. By the way, we will be discussing different basic functions in demo number 2. But just to show you, equal sign and then type sum, open parenthesis, and then from here, you are going to fill in the values. So you can select cells B3 until D3, and then close parenthesis, press enter. Okay. I will delete. Another way is by using the auto sum tool under the Home tab. So Home tab, Auto Sum, you can find this above the editing group and then select Sum. Okay, press enter. Or another shortcut is you are going to press Alt plus keys. Okay, Alt and then plus simultaneously. press enter, and you will get the total viewers from December to February. From here, you can copy paste the formula. So let me zoom in. Okay, so I have selected this cell, place my cursor on the lower right corner. When I see the black crosshair, I will left click and then drag this until the last row. So from here, you can automatically compute the sum until row 6. Okay, question. Can we change the numerical values or can we add currency? Yes. Next question. Can we include Philippine peso currency? The answer is yes. Okay, so to do that, let us select cells B3. We are going to include currency or Philippine peso here in our numerical values. So select all the numerical values using your mouse. And then you can go to Home tab. You can go to the number group. And then let us select more number formats. So let me zoom in. So number group, click the drop down arrow and then select more number formats. Okay. So from here, we have the number tab, and then under the category, let's select currency. I believe there are 3 Philippine peso symbols, so let me try to find them here. Okay, so these are 2. One is the Philippine peso symbol, English and Filipino, and I think there's nothing really different about this. Or you can also type P and then look for THP there. But for now, in this example, let's use Philippine peso symbol, English. Okay, and then press OK. Right, so again, when you see these symbols, you will just have to adjust your cell size. So this is not an error. So I will place my cursor in between columns B and C, double click to adjust. Okay, so now you have added the currency, and then reminder, when you include the currency, you will not manually type it here, like PHP, because it will return an incorrect value. So notice that the total is 350, but if I will include PHP in cell B3, press enter, it will not be able to read 100 pesos. So if you will place your cursor in any of the cells now, in the formula bar, it will read as 100 or its numerical value. Okay, finally, let us add a comment, okay, or a note in your Excel. So for example, let's add a comment in cell E6. So let's select E6, right click, and then go to new comment. So you will see your name here, start a conversation. Let's say total viewers for Brooklyn 99. And then you just press this icon and you will see, or if you will hover your mouse pointer, you will see the comment that you created.